Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. I'm Francisca Mailiana Zonki, mostly known as Miss Mailiana, and today is day 73. And today's topic is just so that you get to start some projects and get to know what to do next. So I urge you to go search for a sales data set and try this hack or the steps with it to get a project done in sales. Okay, so before we get into it, I would try to explain this to you. Starting to learn data analytics can be overwhelming, and also being a data analyst is actually just being like a studying for studying as a medical student to become a doctor. After you are done, you go into specialization to become maybe a surgeon or I don't know, dentist is already that way, but a surgeon or like specialization, right? So when you are a data analyst, you cut across all industries. You can be in the tech industry, you can be in the agriculture industry, you can be in the education industry, you can be across, right? But you can take it a step further to say that, oh, I am a salesperson or I like to sell stuffs, but then I just don't want to be selling. I also want to know how we are doing well. So you become a sales analyst, or you want to help businesses get more sales. So you become a business analyst and focus really on their sales data match, right? So that is why this is there. And you can actually replicate this in any other field you find yourself in so that you get to understand it better. So please get that data set. Places that you can get your data sets is Kaggle and Maven, right? Kaggle Kaggle, and Maven is Mave, and analytics, and you're going to get some amazing data sets to work with as well. So let's get into the steps in getting your sales performance analysis done. The very first thing is to understand the business problem. Very much so. Whenever you are working with a business, you just don't jump into action. You have to understand the business, understand the problem they are going through so that you know what to do next. Then now you define your KPIs. KPIs are what? Key, let me use a word. Key performance index. What this means is that there are things that you look out for to know that we are doing well or not. So, what are the things that will show that we are doing well or not? So, that's what you define here. The next thing you go into is now you explore the data you have, and then now you analyze the performance that comes out of the data. Then now you build your dashboard to show your KPIs, whether they are high or low. Then you show your insights to see the chart and everything that goes on, and also add a story to it so that it's more unique. Then now you present it to your fellow management executives and everybody, and then you give your recommendation. As usual, your recommendation is where you show case you are a stakeholder in the business and you want the business to grow. And with these steps, you are able to actually achieve more and actually have a project in your portfolio. So let's say you are learning to become a data analyst and you want to go into the business field whereby they are doing sales and all that. This is one particular project I would say go into so that you have it on on your portfolio, so that you know that you are not just like you're applying to which company would I say? Let's say you're applying to a bank. Bank do daily sale. They have a sales team that brings in money almost every day. So if you are able to know how to go about it, it's going to help you a lot. So this is what a 7 step, right? And you can see that it actually follows the general data analytics process that I shared at the beginning of this challenge, and it's just defined specifically for the sales performance data. Okay, so please take note of that. So I'm going to read some questions that you would have to set to for when you are doing your analysis, the objective questions you have to set so that you get it right. I'm here to introduce you to the Data Foundation program, a program created for you so you can upgrade your skills as you have started learning from this platform. This program has the weekend classes, weekday classes, and in-person classes that happens at least once every month. You get to have us live to ask your questions, we answer your questions, and help you build the right project for your portfolio, help you build your portfolio from scratch on GitHub, and also help you build your personal brand on LinkedIn. Yes, so you can get the right opportunities and the right jobs as well. You build your personal brand and build as we go. So it's a full mentorship class. We get to teach you all the Excel tools, build your project, and also build your personal brand. For more information, use the link in the description to get to know more about the Data Foundation program, and also find a way to join our free classes if you are in Accra, so you can also meet us in person and we get to bond better. All right, so let's get back to the video. One is, what's the difference between the revenue and the profits when you did the analysis? Another one is name seven. Another one is what happened in specific month. So how was the sales in specific month? And you are good to go as well, right? And then you now talk about what is the next step for sale, what's the next step for sales, like to achieve more and all that, and that will come under recommendation as well. So I hope you actually got a lot from this. Please do it. Please just take a data set and do it as well. If you want more of this teaching, join our live classes or in-person classes, and you're going to learn from us. All right. Thank you so much for learning with us. I'm going to see you in the next video. It's bye for now.